Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this what I call up and down box. It's got two drawers at the bottom and a jewelry box top, and it's made out of red oak and spotted gum. This spotted gum's so bloody heavy. Okay guys, I've made the ply substrate for the drawers, and you can cut the timber to width now and then cut the angles and extend them up past the drawer so it's the same height as this now. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this short version of how to make this box. Check out YouTube for the full version of how to make this box step by step. It's easy, have a go. And we'll glue it up. Be careful with this one because it's okay. We'll glue it up. Fixed in. I put a couple of screws inside to hold it, and you're not going to see them, but the drawers are in there, and I've glued it in at the back, so it's coming out quite well. I'll put the wings on too. I'll put the two wings on. And they're taped up drying at the moment, and now we can cut the drawers. Monday morning, you know, better than working. This is fun. You have no idea how much fun this is for me. So while they're doing this, what will I be doing? Okay, mate, going down some bloody bowls club or something, and oh God, wouldn't that cheat you? Wouldn't that irk you? Becoming a member of the club. Damn. Now look. Okay, perfect. Cool. We're all ready for the spotted gum now. Bloody heavy stuff it is. Glue and the type 1-3 method. Just glue one. Take them out. Then you clean up the excess glue. It's all fitted now. Easy. Easy peasy, Japan easy. Okay guys, we're getting there now. All unfitted. Through the drawers. Now we're just going to sand everything up. We've got the drawers fitted. Put a couple of little maple handles on. Butt hinges. Oh, good. So this box is finished now. Okay, this is it for this box. Please subscribe, ring the bell. I'm on a new channel, looking for subscribers. I'm going right now. I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you are too. Something very radical. Radical might be the next word I use. Radical. Radical is going to be the word of the day in the next box. Radical. So, see you guys, and we'll do something radical.